How to make your account private on Facebook Lite. First, open Facebook Lite. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option View Your Profile. If the professional mode is turned on, tap on the three dots that you can see at top. Tap on the option Turn Off Pro Mode. Now tap on the option Continue. Tap on the option Turn Off. Now the professional mode has been turned off successfully. Now in order to make your account more private, you can lock your profile. Tap on the three dots. Tap on the option Lock Profile that you can see on your screen. Tap on the option Lock Your Profile. Refresh your profile. Now your profile has been locked. People will not be able to access your profile easily. That means now your profile will be private. Like this, you'll be able to make your account private on Facebook Lite. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.